The next project is for you to make a container with an original and irregular form from slabs of clay. Your container must have a lid that fits perfectly. We will cut the lid like you cut the top off a jack-o'-lantern. Your container will be covered with pattern. You will use the clay stamps you made to texturize the surface of your slabs. Your container will have feet that lift it up off the table. This is a complicated project. We will use a paper pattern to get the exact size of slab needed for each wall of the container. The form of your container must be complex. It cannot be just a square or just a cylinder. Start by drawing until you come up with an interesting form. The more time you spend drawing and planning, the better your design will be. Consider what each side, the back, the bottom, and the top of your container will look like. Your container needs 3 to 4 sides at a minimum. Once you have a good design, break it down into the basic parts. You will make these basic parts out of heavy paper to create your pattern. My design has 2 sides that are exactly the same. When I transfer my design to the heavy paper, I only need to draw it once. Then stack 2 pieces of heavy paper and cut both pieces at the same time. They will match perfectly. Use the edges of the pieces you have already cut to guesstimate the size of the new pieces. 3 is the magic number. Once you have 3 pieces, you can tape them together and they should stand. Set your 3-sided form on another piece of paper and trace to get a nice close fit. Use small pieces of tape to hold your form together. You will be taking this form apart to cut each side from slabs of clay. I can't wait to see your design.